All right, children, exercise 14.1. The first question is saying, find the common factors of the given terms. Okay, so for today we are taking up question number 1, and there are 8 parts. I have done 4 for you for explaining, and the remaining you will try on your own 4 parts and report whether you can do it on your own or not. Okay, then we'll discuss it. All right, children, so the first part, 12x and 36 given, and they are asking you to find the common factors of these two terms. So we will factorize this. Factorizing, if you have studied by now, means breaking it into all small components which multiply to give you this huge expression, number, whichever way you say it. Okay, so factors of 12 number, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Prime factorization, you all know. I haven't shown that. I've done it because these are small numbers. Even you can do it mentally. But jisko nahi aa raha hai, you know how to find prime factors. You can find the factors. Okay. So 12 के factors होते हैं 2 into 2 into 3 and into x. If you write 12x means 12 multiplied by x. Okay. Then 36 के factors करोगे. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36. तो हम इन दोनों के all prime factors for numbers and variables, of course, by splitting we can write all the factors. Okay, now after that, next is we have to look for common factor. Common means present in both. So आपने देखा यहाँ पे एक 2 है, यहाँ पे भी एक 2 है, तो 1 2 you will keep here. Then you see another 2 here, 1 and 2 here as well. So this 2 is also common to both. तो एक और 2 रख दिया. Then 3 here and 3 here. So a 3 here. So all the factors which you find in both the numbers or maybe 3 numbers. यहाँ पे 2 ही given है. You can have 3 or more also expressions, terms. So उन सब में जो factor सब में दिखेगा, that you can keep as your common factor. And then multiply this product. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So 12 is your maximum common factor out here. All right. Likewise, here you had 2y, another expression 22xy. So 2y ke only 2 factors are there. 2 itself is a prime number, 2 into y. And 22 ke factors रहेंगे 2 into 11, 11 2s are 22, and into x into y. फिर आप कॉमन देखने लगते हो. So you had a 2 here as well. तो ये कॉमन फैक्टर में आ जाएगा. Then you have a y here, so y here as well. So y भी आ जाएगा. 2 into y, which is 2y. I have cut that short, straight away 2y लिख दिया है. Okay? 11 यहाँ था but यहाँ नहीं था, x यहाँ था but यहाँ नहीं था, तो वो कॉमन फैक्टर में नहीं आएगा. Simple concept. Okay? Then likewise, now in the fifth one you have 3 terms. 6abc, 24ab square, 12a square b. तो पहले वाले के फैक्टर्स करते हैं. 6 2 3s are 6 into a into b into c. Okay, from here 24 के फैक्टर्स 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24 into a into b into b. B square means 2 b's are there. B multiplied with b. Then 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, and a square would mean a into this b. Clear? After writing all the factors in all the terms, अब आप common ढूंढने लगते हो. So 2 here was here as well as here. So एक 2 आ जाएगा common factor में. Then next इसमें 3 आ गया है, and ये 2, तो फिर अब यहाँ 2 नहीं है तो will be left. फिर यहाँ देखोगे आप, ये 3 यहाँ भी मिल रहा है, 3 यहाँ भी मिल रहा है. So 3 is present in all the 3 terms. So 3 भी common factor में आ जाएगा. Next you see a here. Do we have a here? Yes, we have. We have a a here as well. So 1a भी आ जाएगा. Okay. Then b, you have b here as well as here. So एक b भी आ जाएगा. Okay. Then, okay, sorry, I don't know why I have written out here c. C is not there, children. Okay. C wasn't there. C यहाँ है but यहाँ नहीं है. यहाँ नहीं है. So you cannot include c. So we have only 2, 3, 1a and 1b present in all the 3 terms. So your common factor would be 3 2s are 6ab. All right. Then likewise, here we had 10pq. तो 10 के factors आ गए 2 into 5 into p into q. 20, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20 into q into r. Again I am saying, अगर आप ये mentally orally कर सकते हो, well and good. Otherwise all of you know how to find prime factors. ये number के prime factors निकाल लेना. Okay. 30 goes as 2, 3s are 6, 5s are 30 into r into p. अभी common factors ढूंढोगे. 2 2 2 present in all, आ जाएगा. Then you have a 5 here, have a 5 second one में and 5 in third number as well. So 5 भी आ जाएगा. P is here but not here. ओके तो तीनों में होना चाहिए. इसमें फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट में है बट सेकंड में नहीं है तो वो नहीं आएगा. क्यू फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में है बट थर्ड में नहीं है तो वो भी नहीं आएगा. आर सेकंड एंड थर्ड में है बट ये नहीं आएगा. हम तीनों के जब ढूंढ रहे हैं व्हेन वी आर लुकिंग फॉर ऑल थ्री, सो द फैक्टर शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन ऑल थ्री. लाइक 2 was present in 3 of them, 5 was present in 3 of them, so only 2 into 5, 10 is your common factor. All right. Now the remaining 4 parts, likewise children, you try, and if you don't understand then let me know.